Listen. Did you hear it? Just when I hit the brakes, there's a piercing scream coming from the front wheel here. I took the car to the repair shop. They said it's time to replace the brake pads and it's only $3,000. I asked if it's so expensive. Why don't you just grab it? I drove off right away. Look, I just bought brake pads from the auto parts store for $80. Today I will tell you how to change the brake pads yourself. If you learn this, you will never be cheated again when you go to get your car repaired. Remove the tires first. Okay, the tires have been removed. Look, this is a brake pad. It is mounted inside the brake cylinder. Next, we will disassemble the brake cylinder. Find an adjustable wrench. Remove the screw under the brake cylinder. Take a screwdriver and stick it in. Pry it a little to put the sub pump back into place. Okay, open the wheel cylinder. And the two pieces inside are the brake pads. This is the brake wheel cylinder. This is the brake disc. This is a brake pad. When they are clamped, the tires cannot rotate. Just release it and it will turn. Clamped, the tires cannot rotate. Just release it and it will turn. This is how car brakes work. Okay, let's take off these two brake pads. Look, these two brake pads are so thick that you can still drive at least 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers. But look, there are bumps all over the brake disc, so much so that the brake disc was even worn with a groove. No wonder you hear a harsh squeal when you apply the brakes. In fact, if it is just this kind of unevenness, the abnormal noise can be solved by polishing it with sandpaper. But the repair shop actually asked me to replace it, which was really a scam. But since we have bought new ones, let's replace them. Installing brake pads is very easy. Look, lift the brake wheel cylinder. Align the brake pads between the upper and lower grooves. Push it in. That's it. Then install this side in the same way. Done. Two new pieces have been installed. Put down the brake cylinder. Install the screws. Then tighten the screws. After tightening the screws, the brake pad of the left front wheel is installed. Next, put the tires back on. After installing the tire, replace the right brake pad in the same way. Okay, let's go. The right side was also replaced successfully, but it's not the end yet. This next step is very critical. After replacing the brake pads, we must start the car. Apply the brake a few times until the brake pedal becomes hard and the brake can be used normally. At this point, all the brake pads have been replaced, and the abnormal noise will definitely be resolved. Have you learned it? Hurry and forward it to your friends. Follow me and learn some car knowledge every day.